Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Diasto. And for today's episode 40, mga must-try drinks and food by Varsity, Bubble Tea Shop, and Uncle Joe's Food Hub. Varsity Bubble Tea Shop is your ultimate bubble tea experience. Freshly brewed teas and using high quality of ingredients from Taiwan. Satisfy your food cravings with their freshly steamed dim sum along with their homemade chili garlic sauce. And for Uncle Joe's Food Hub, house of original Tennessee smoked burger, juicy tender ribs, homemade cheesy and meat pizza. With unique flavors, crispy and flavorful nachos overloaded with cheesy fries. And they're located at Balabago, Jaro, Iloilo City, inside Lucky Homes Subdivision and near JAC Custom. And they have second branch in the Atrium Mall, second floor, food court area. And they're also available for Foodpanda app deliveries. Full list of their menus and delivery details I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Varsity Bubble Tea Shop and Uncle Joe's Food Hub. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos, for your drinks and foods by Varsity Bubble Tea Shop and Uncle Joe's Food Hub. So unahin ko muna i-introduce yung drinks. Ito na mga nos, yung pinaka-ultimate taste test ko for my vlog episode. Sobrang dami ng foods, hindi ko kaya itong ubusin, tikim-tikim lang. Discuss ko muna yung bawat products. But before anything else mga nos, please do like this video, comment down kung ano po yung mga gusto nyong itry for Varsity Bubble Tea and for Uncle Joe's Food Hub. So please share this video sa mga hilig sa mga foods and milk tea products. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, and click the notification bell icon para updated kayo sa my latest episodes ko. Let's start for our taste test. First product under premium series is their White Rabbit Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size for 75 pesos. For this drink, on point yung White Rabbit candy essence and yung pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. It's very creamy siya for this drink. For our next drink under premium series, your Belgian Chocolate Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size for 75 pesos. Yung unang makikin sa akin is yung Belgian Chocolate, yung bitter taste niya at yung rich flavor. Tapos yung maganda dito, hindi siya too much sweet for my taste. Saktong-sakto siyang combination and overall ingredients for this drink. Next drink under premium series, Butter Caramel Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size for 75 pesos. Ito on point yung butter caramel niya, very creamy, at the same time, nandun yung thickness for its caramel essence, for its butter. It has a good balance and well proportioned of ingredients for this drink. For our next drink under premium series, is your Korean Banana Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size, 75 pesos. Ito very smooth yung texture niya, nandun yung thickness and yung lapuyo feel, comes sa banana flavor, on point siya, nandun yung essence na hinanap ko for banana flavor. Our next drink under premium series is your Coconut Mango Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size, for 75 pesos. Very light drink siya. Very refreshing. Nandun yung coconut juice na hinanap ko. Hindi siya faint taste. Tapos nag-well blend siya. It's mango sweetness. Hindi siya too much sweet. For our next drink under premium series, their Blue Sakura Milk Tea for 22 ounce, Grande size, for 75 pesos. Naging true sila when it comes sa refreshing drink. Similar siya for bubblegum flavor. Tapos may konting mixed berry type. So, hindi siya sobrang tamis. Sakto lang yung sugar level niya. So bago tayo mag-start for taste test for their foods, introduce ko muna sila isa-isa with their prices and their categories. For our first food is their special Siopao for 75 pesos. Flavors of asado, chicken, and bola-bola. Chope for 3 pieces for 55 pesos. For violet, it's ubi cheese. For white, it's ham and cheese flavor. And for orange or yellow, it's pizza flavor. And for brown, it's choco tablea. Siomai and dumplings for 10 pieces with price range of 100 pesos up to 185 pesos. Pork siomai, chicken siomai, shark fin siomai, Japanese siomai, pork strip siomai, pork dumplings, and mushroom dumplings. Baked spaghetti for 120 pesos, good for 2 persons. Creamy carbonara, good for 2 packs for 150 pesos. Dinuguan with mantaw. Shawarma fries for 130 pesos. Your Mucho Burger for 380 pesos. A rack of ribs for 250 pesos. Korean pizza for 12-inch and maxi size for 390 pesos.
Ayan mga nos, kasama ko na yung sister ko. So, introduce yourself.
Hi guys. I'm Inka.
Start na po tayo for taste test sa food. So, tulungan ako ni King. Ayun tayo mga nos.
Let's eat! Ano start? Siomai. Favorite Japanese siomai. Chili sauce. May rice. Char.
So, mix pala to mga nos ha. Yung different flavors of siomai. Tapos, may dumplings din.
Choco lang iya chili. Hindi siya tama kakahang.
So, ang meat niya, okay man.
Okay, good. Pero naman siya. Proof. Good. Ulang na lang din may rice ka. At may coke.
Oo. Perfect na.
Pwede na siya.
Special siopao. Ayan. So, may asado, may chicken, and bola-bola.
Orange ang top.
Yung kunin ko is yung yellow. Yung siopao nila, ang dami ng laman for asado, for chicken, and bola-bola. So, ito po yung Korean pizza nila.
Pizza. Kimchi pizza. Good.
So, yung next namin is si shawarma. Nakipot ka. Shawarma
Shawarma
fries.
fries.
Dami ng ng toppings. Aming cheese, may cucumber, tomatoes, mayo, tapos shredded meats. Tapos yung fries nila is crinkle cut fries. So yung next namin is si creamy carbonara.
What we do here is go back.
Carbonara ako. I love white sauce. Sorry.
Yung baked spaghetti nila, yung mixture siya ng sweetness and also yung parmesan dito sa taas. Tapos very savory naman siya. Tapos yung sauce, yun, kuwang-kuwa niya yung Pinoy spaghetti sauce. Sa creamy carbonara, ayan, kinakain ni King. Sobrang sarap na sarap siya. Has the right creaminess, texture ng noodles niya, saktong-sakto, sobrang lambot. Kanina sa dumplings and siomai, ang sarap din ng wrappers niya, yung meat, and also for each of their flavors. And well complement siya sa chili sauce niya. At yung Korean pizza, sobrang soft ng dough niya. Tapos, yung right amount ng cheese, ng meat, ng kimchi, perfect na perfect siya. Kasi mahilig kami sa kimchi at the same time yung pizza. Next ko is si Siopet. So, iba-iba po yung flavors niya. They have pizza, ubi cheese, ham and cheese, and si choco tablea. Try ko is yung pizza flavor nila for Siopet. So yung next si ubi cheese for Siopet. Next is choco tablea. Next si ham and cheese. Ano sa akin? Tablea. Siopet nila for pizza, nandun yung pizza essence. Sakto naman yung flavor niya. With cheese, nandun yung ube hanap mo or craving for. Tapos yung cheese nandun din. Choco tableya, daming feeling for its tableya. Ham and cheese, nandun yung perfect consistency for its ham or yung meat niya. Yung next namin is si dinuguan with mantaw.
Ang isa i-dip, tapos ang isa pit.
Okay siyang combination for mantaw instead sa puto. For its dinuguan, okay na okay din sa akin kasi mahilig kami sa dinuguan. Next na po tayo, taste test. So ayan mga nos, ako na lang po yung last remaining to mag-taste test for these two products. Kasi sukong-suko na yung sister ko when it comes sa food kasi sobrang dami na. But don't worry mga nos, lahat na hindi namin naubos for this taste test vlog, pwede namin i-share sa family namin. So rest assured, hindi po masasayang yung pagkain. Yung next i-taste test ko is yung half baby back ribs nila. So, ayan, as you can see mga nos, meron siyang sauce dito sa taas. And they have mixed veggies here. Mixed veggies nila, hindi siya overly cooked. Nasa tama yung proportion for its preparation. Tapos, nandun yung softness for its veggies. So, upon slicing mga nos, sobrang lambot ng meat. Hindi siya mahirap i-slice. Ayan po yung meat. It has a good quality of their meat. Very juicy. Tapos, napaka-tender ng meat. So, yung last taste test ko is yung Mucho Burger nila. Sobrang laking burger na to mga nos. Kuha ako dito ng portion. Wait lang. As you can see mga nos, siksik na sa ingredients. So I do apologize kung medyo messy ako when it comes sa burger. Ito, good for 8 to 10 persons. Sobrang laki ng patties, yung meat, yung veggies, and also for its sauce. Tapos yung bun sila, sobrang soft niya. So yung unang brand i-rate ko is yung Varsity Bubble Tea Shop. For White Rabbit Milk Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Belgian Chocolate Milk Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Butter Caramel Milk Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. And Banana Milk Tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Coconut Mango, I'll give this a perfect 10. And for Blue Sakura, I'll give this a perfect 10. For their Siopao, I'll give this a perfect 10. Dumplings and Siomai, I'll give this a perfect 10. And also for their Siopet, I'll give it a perfect 10. For their Dinuguan, I'll give it a perfect 10. For creamy carbonara, I'll give it a perfect 10. For baked spaghetti, I'll give it a perfect 10. For Uncle Joe's Food Hub, for half baby back ribs, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Mucho Burger, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Korean pizza, I'll give it a perfect 10. For Shawarma Fries, I'll give it a perfect 10. When it comes to their service and for their preparation procedure, dun sa site nila, for their foods and for their drinks, very systematic or very organized yung flow ng operations nila. Appreciate ko lalo yung owner, very approachable siya when sa information when it comes sa products, sa milk tea, yung relationship niya when it comes sa staff or sa mga crew niya doon sa site. Kitang-kita talaga yung quality for its presentation and for its taste for an excellent product. Comes sa premium milk tea nila for their new flavors. Eto, nag-stood out talaga yung sinasabi nilang premium quality. Isa pwede kong i-suggest for kids, I would suggest si Blue Sakura, si White Rabbit, at si Butter Caramel. And if you're a big fan of Belgian chocolate, I would suggest si Belgian Chocolate Milk Tea. And if you're looking for something refreshing and something unique, I would suggest si Korean Banana Milk Tea and si Coconut Mango Milk Tea. Big thank you talaga for Varsity Bubble Tea Shop and for Uncle Joe's Food Hub for inviting me again na i-feature ko yung new products nyo. So Varsity Bubble Tea Shop and Uncle Joe Food Hub has good quality of product, good service, budget friendly, and is certified Drinking Nose Standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations. Keep safe and bye!